Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seda. Today I got a recipe for you for teriyaki chicken. We're gonna make the teriyaki sauce from scratch. I'm really excited to prepare this dish because it's one of Connor's favorites. So let's see if we can impress him. Alright, as always, the ingredients first. So for the rice, I used white rice. I don't know what you prefer. Hot water, butter, olive oil, salt and pepper for seasoning. And we obviously need chicken for teriyaki chicken. For the sauce, we need water, brown sugar, soy sauce, honey, garlic, ground ginger, cornstarch, and cold water. And I used broccoli, pineapple, peanut, and green onion for the toppings. Starting with the rice first, I am washing the rice and then melting the butter. I'm just gonna cook it the way that I saw my mom doing and my grandma was doing in Turkey. So this is how they do, and this is how I learned. Pouring some water in it, and then we're just gonna season it, mix it, close it, boom, done. Just gonna let it cook itself. And cutting some chickens. We'll start sauteing the chicken first until it gets a crispy brown color, like you see it in here. That looks perfectly fine. I use also salt and pepper to season it. For the broccoli, I'm not gonna boil it or anything. I'm just gonna oven that because Connor is pretty picky about vegetables, so I'd rather do something that he will like. And here I'm mixing all these ingredients for the teriyaki sauce. To be honest, I didn't know that before. It was so easy to make. We kept buying the store brands, and if I knew that already, it is so easy to make. I'll definitely do it for myself. Here I'm mixing the cornstarch with all these ingredients at the end after it starts boiling, and it's done. Time for pouring it on the chicken. Looks perfectly perfect. All right, chopping some green onions and pineapple for my toppings. Also, our broccoli is done. As you can see, it's roasted perfectly. And now it's time for preparing our bowl. Chicken, laying broccoli, some pineapple, green onion, and I'm using some peanut crunches. There we go. Look at this beautiful bowl. Hi guys, we are back. I'm done cooking and I got my Connor with me here.
Me again.
How are you, Connor?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Smells good in here.
Smells awfully good, yes.
Yeah. Okay, well, you know what I cooked? I did the teriyaki chicken for you.
No surprise.
Yes, what do you think? First impression.
I'm very pleased to see pineapple in it.
Yes.
I love pineapple. It's my favorite fruit. Looks really good. Looks colorful. Smells great. I can see the rice under there, see the chicken, some peanuts.
And some roasted broccoli.
I was avoiding that part, yes.
You
know I'm not a veggie eater.
Well, you eat broccoli though. I mean, instead of boiling them, I did oven roast them.
Yeah, looks really good.
Yeah, I just wanted to do something different so you can eat it. Well, shall we start? Okay.
Let's do it. What are we taking a bite of first? Everything?
Oh, I don't know. Whatever you want to do. I'm going for everything.
I'm going to go more for the teriyaki chicken side. It's pretty good.
I think I taste like the store brands that we buy. So it's not that hard to make.
That's really not.
It's the first time actually I'm making it.
The nuts in it gives it like a good little crunch.
Broccoli is...
What'd you go for with broccoli?
I'm a really good cook, by the way. If you didn't notice that already.
No, if you've not been paying attention to the last two videos, she's a good cook. Broccoli, good. What'd you season it with?
Salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper.
I can taste the cayenne pepper. It's a
It's
little
a bit hot, right? Yeah, yeah.
A little bit hot broccoli.
Well, I mean, you know, the plate is like a little bit exaggerating.
Maybe.
Half is sweet, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and the other half is a bit spicy. Divide it. When you mix them all together, if you rather.
Oh, is that
It might
maybe
be
after the video I'll
the
get
best.
dirty and mix it. Let me try the pineapple. See how that goes with everything. Oh my god, it's delicious. I'm gonna go back in for another bite, try and get a little bit of everything in it. It's delicious.
Is it?
It's delicious.
Okay, well, scaling.
Already on to scaling.
Hype up a little bit.
Hype up.
Yeah, do something funny. People wants to see you funny. Funny.
You know I'm a prop comic.
Do you want to tell them about the joke that if you would ever become
Now's not the time.
comedian?
Now's not the time
No?
for that.
Maybe in the next episode, if you guys only subscribe to my channel,
100 subscribers. I'll
then
tell my
Connor,
story.
yes, will give
What are you
his-
at now?
I don't want to say. If you guys want to hear Connor's biggest joke, opening
Oh my
stage
God. It
joke,
was so terrible.
when he becomes a comedian one day, who knows when, he's gonna tell the joke for you.
Sure.
Only
That-
if I get 100,000 of followers. How
This-
many did you say?
I said 100.
Oh, okay.
100,000?
Your joke is worth more than that, you know?
Thank you. It's
I'm
not.
just saying. It's
She was like,
so funny.
are
It
you
is like,
That was hilarious.
what was hilarious? Me saying
Oh,
hilarious.
hilarious.
Yeah, it's hilarious funny. You're gonna, it's worth it. Just subscribe to my channel, bring it to 100. Then I have a special gift also.
What is it?
Only if you subscribe to my channel, you're gonna hear the special gift. I cannot say it, but I promise the 100th subscriber, 100th subscriber, 100th. I'm giving something special. A gift.
All right,
Anyways,
back to the
back
food.
to the food. Yeah.
Okay, presentation.
Yes, scaling.
You laid this out very well.
What do you think?
9 out of 10.
What? Why it's 9 out of 10?
I can't give you 10s all the time.
What? Why would you not? What is wrong with it? What didn't you like?
I've
What?
already said my words. 9 out of 10.
Whatever. Well, you know what? You're done. Boom, boom, boom. They're breaking up in front of the
But
camera.
I've not told you the taste score.
It's 10 out of 10 already. I judge myself. Anyways, yeah, let's hear it.
It was 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Which means 19 out of 20.
The best score so far I got was for the burger.
The 20 out of 20.
It was really good. If you guys didn't watch that video yet, I'm gonna try to drop it somewhere down. I don't even know how to do it. I'm a really fresh YouTuber, so I'm really new to these things, but I'm gonna try to drop a link or something.
All right, let's dive in. We didn't say bye.
I'm sorry.
Bye.
Wait, I'm just chewing. Don't forget to like the video. I'm gonna do it again.
Do it again.
Alright guys, thank you so much. The next one.
I was doing something stupid at the start.
What did you do?
I was like, because I didn't think you were going to nail it. I'm sorry.
Don't forget this up. You or what?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Bye.
Let's get into it. Oh my god. You didn't say anything about the rice, by the way.
Oh.
Wait.
It's never too late. The rice is good too.